Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Google Pay identity and linking a primary bank or card. This unlocks payouts and limits. Once done, enable notifications and set a strong payment PIN so you control approvals. Check the app's offers and rewards area, then claim active cashback and referral codes immediately because many expire fast. These initial moves create immediate earning pathways, referrals, sign-up bonuses, and targeted merchant deals that pay small but steady amounts into your wallet. Next, you execute the main earning methods. Send referral links to people who will finish KYC so both of you get rewards. Simultaneously, route routine spend, bills, mobile recharges, and online shopping through Google Pay to capture % cashback offers. Stacking bank and merchant promos multiplies returns. Also watch for merchant tasks or in-app surveys that pay small credits. Make sure to track expiration dates and payout thresholds because timing and stacking rules determine how much you actually convert to withdrawable funds. Finally, you convert earnings to usable cash. Move your Google Pay balance to your linked bank once the minimum payout is met and confirm the transfer clears. Keep records of rewards and receipts in case of tax reporting or disputes. Many platforms issue Form 1099 or local equivalents for larger totals. If something goes wrong, first check bank link status, daily limits, and whether the app needs an update. If transfers repeatedly fail, contact support with transaction ID and screenshots for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.